been a development there in Canada where there seems to be a crackdown on the Bishnoi gang, and there has been a growing chorus for the Bishnoi gang to be labelled as a terror tag, and to also, as far as when it comes to the federal conservatives, have now been demanding a terror tag for the Bishnoi gang, saying that this is time now for the liberals now to crack the whip. Let's get in a word from Bhavtosh now. Bhavtosh, good morning. This is coming at a time when Canada seems to be realizing as far as the threat is now concerned. However, giving a free run to such organized crime groups are also concerned. They now seems to be realizing what a threat as far as Bishnoi group is also concerned coming from their soil.
Good morning, Amita. In fact, there has been growing clamor in Canada, and politicians across party line have been demanding that gangsters, particularly those owing allegiance to Lawrence Bishnoi, should be tagged as a terror or terrorist organization. In fact, it started in June when British Columbia Premier said that Lawrence Bishnoi or his gang members should be dubbed as a terrorist, and then there was Alberta Premier who also in fact demanded that Canadian Prime Minister should call them a terrorist organization. In fact, there have been several incidents in Canada where gangsters or their associates have been arrested, or they have been found to be associated with Lawrence Bishnoi. India has already said that if they need assistance, if Canada need assistance, then they will be provided with. Since 2023, there have been incidents of violence in Canada where associates of Lawrence Bishnoi have been found involved in this, and there are several politicians in Canada who have now demanded that Canadian Prime Minister should in fact list Lawrence Bishnoi as a foreign terrorist organization.
All right, because they believe as far as when it comes to communities that are being terrorized, and it is time for the liberals to act against such gangsters. Thank you very much, Bhavtosh, for joining in. With that, we head into a short break.